Welcome back everyone. Usapang Kaido House tayo today. And what we have here is this Datsun 510 Wagon 4x4. I got this from Hobby Stock Collectibles sa Festival Mall. Malapit lang siya sa Skyway or SLEX. Napakadaling puntahan. And then this one, I got this from Hobby Stock Collectibles also, pero sa Green Hills, San Juan. So medyo mahirap siyang puntahan, and I recommend punta lang kayo doon ng Sunday unless na malapit lang yung bahay nyo sa Green Hills, kasi sobrang traffic talaga. Unlike me, coming from Laguna, medyo hassle din ang pag-drive papunta doon. So anyway, price range, both are the same. May mga nakikita akong mga reseller online, mas mahal sila ng bahagya. Syempre, nakuha nila sa pre-order price maybe. If mas mura ang pre-order price, I really don't know, because kaka-start ko lang mag-collect ng diecast cars. And may mga shops naman doon sa Shopsville na almost the same as Hobby Stock sa kanilang Kaido House Mini GT. Pero may mga prices din na medyo mas mataas sila ng konti. And when I check, nalaman ko na si Hobby Stock Collectibles pala ang distributor, authorized distributor ng Mini GT product sa Pilipinas. So anyway, discuss natin tong dalawang kit na to. So, itong Datsun 510 Wagon 4x4, yung pinakauna kong kit ng Kaido House. And mahirap maghanap ng Kaido House, para siyang hotcake product, really. Ilang beses ako nagpunta dun sa Hobby Stock Collectibles. Luckily, this specific model, tingin ko hindi siya ganun kapatok sa collectors, because I noticed that some branches like Hobby Stock Manila Bay area and Hobby Stock Festival Mall Alabang, marami silang stock nito, ng kit na to. Unlike sa other kits like this one, hindi ko to nakita sa Festival Mall, hindi ko to nakita sa Hobby Stock Bay area. I bought this from the main branch sa Green Hills. So some other kits are really hard to find, especially marami rin nagpi-pre-order. So pakita natin sila. This one is the Datsun 510 Pro Street. Hinahanap ko yung pula nito kasi I think the original model was the red one. I'm not really sure. If I'm wrong, please sabihin nyo dun sa comment section. Pero this one features an opening hood. Kita natin. So ayun, sobrang pogi. So yung engine niya may BRE na details, and then ayun yung kanyang headlights. Sobrang classic ng dating ng car na ito. Then left hand drive siya, rubber yung kanyang side mirror, which I think is better than the steel, because yung steel madaling maputol. Then yun, sobrang okay na okay itong detail na to, especially the tires. I think lahat ng Mini GT models are with rubber tires. And the base, yun, so medyo may gradient siya. So, depende sa angle, minsan violet, minsan blue, parang burnt effect. So it's also okay, pero hindi ako ganun ka fan. Pero yung engraving ng Kaido House dito, very good. Pero mas nagagandaan ako kung engine or yung real parts yung ginaya dito. Anyway, maganda tong model na to. I'm really satisfied. And ito, ilagay muna natin siya dito. Itong Datsun 510 Wagon 4x4. Ito yung pinakaunang Kaido House model ko. So, hesitant ako nung unang bilhin ito kasi sobrang dami ng stock niya. Sabi ko, bakit yung kit na to ay hindi ganun kabenta? Pero nung in-unbox ko na siya, sobrang satisfied ako. Kaya na-in-love ako sa Kaido House. So this one comes with 2 attachable surfboards. Hindi ko lang kinakabit kasi medyo hassle, tsaka baka maputol. So that's the surfboard. And opening din yung kanyang hood. Ayan. Mas madali lang ng konti i-open yung hood nito compared dito sa Pro Street. And yung pinakahalimaw dito ay yung kanyang gulong. So yun yung kanyang steel rims. That's alloy. And then yung kanyang size ng gulong ay grabe, rugged na rugged yung kanyang itsura. And ito yung sinasabi ko na mas prefer ko na design. So aside from Kaido House engraving, meron kang nakikita yung mga pipe, and then yung spoilers, mufflers. There are still some details that you can see. So this one is really okay for me. And the blue color is okay, parang summer lang. And comparing yung dalawa, very quality. And yung pagkagawa ng Kaido House. And I have pre-orders of Kaido House. I'm not sure ano na yung mga kit na yun kasi medyo marami na. Pero i-unbox din natin sila sa future. So anyway, these two Kaido houses are dope. I really love them. Pero kung tatanungin ako ano yung mas gusto ko dito sa dalawa, maybe this one, the Pro Street. Kasi sobrang classic ng kanyang look. So if mahilig ka sa classic cars, get this first. Pero if mahilig ka sa mga rugged cars, okay din ito. And lastly, sa Friday or sa weekend, mag-unbox tayo. We have kits that I've already announced. So first is this Friday or Saturday, Mini GT rin siya, Lamborghini Huracan STO. So ito ay ating first Lamborghini from Mini GT. I'm gonna unbox this coming weekend. And the other one would be this, not Mini GT. So this is a new brand for us. Binili ko lang siya kasi naka-sale para 64. And this is the Liberty Walk BMW i8. Kasi tanta ko kunin to nung at first, pero sabi ng ating cashier na naka-sale siya ng 30%. And originally this is supposed to be 700 pesos. Naging 490 pesos na lang siya. So naka-save ako. Pero I think yung base nito, yung ilalim niya flat lang, unlike sa this one na detailed. Pero it's okay. I'm gonna put a review on this kit when I unbox it. So please subscribe on our YouTube channel, and if you're watching this on TikTok, please follow me as well. It will help us a lot in growing our channel. So I think that's it for today, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.